a world of fun and fantasy, and ever-changing views, and computer terminology. Commodore's news. Are you keeping up with the Commodore? 'Cause the Commodore is keeping up with you. Are you keeping up with the Commodore? 'Cause the Commodore is keeping up with you.
Hi, I'm Graham. Welcome back to the Commodore Cave. Here in Australia in February, it's high summer and a nice balmy 40 degrees. That's about 104 Fahrenheit, the old speak. Way too hot for coffee. Anyhow, not much going on in the cave today. I've just been doing a bit of a tidy up around here, getting things organised and... What's that?
Another visitor. Stay a while. Stay forever.
I better go and check this out. Who could that be? Let me see. This is interesting. What the heck is that? Special delivery. Time for an unboxing. Well, it's big. Box down there. I know what's in the box. I need to be careful here. Don't want to slice through it. Okay. Right, let's have a look. Have a look. Hey, don't be deceived, all is not as it seems. Wow, not much room left in that. Last time I saw one of these was 1987. Had one shipped to me a couple of thousand kilometres up the coast from Brooding Headlam, where a lot of people got their computers from in Perth. The Amiga 1000.
Introducing Amiga, the first personal computer that gives you a creative edge. The computer with better color graphics, more speed and power than any other at its price. The only computer that lets you work on up to 4 things at once and makes every one of them more creative. If you want a better chance of winning the games you play today, you need Amiga, the first personal computer to give you a creative edge.
This is not an Amiga 1000. This is the packaging, the box. If you've seen my Christmas special, you will realise that I am an avid collector of the artwork in the boxes as much as the computers. Now you're probably thinking, a box. That's it, it's a box. Seems to me there are quite a few collectors who appreciate the artwork and the beauty that goes into these boxes. And the day after mine arrived, for the first time ever, I saw an identical example appear on eBay. Very reasonable. Going for the bargain price of $658 Australian. Oh, we've got to get it posted over here. It's a big box, so add another 522. Thanks for that, eBay. And when it hits the shore over here in Australia, government's going to put their hand out for GST. That's another 10%. So a bargain at a touch over 1,200 Australian dollars for an empty box. Are people really prepared to pay those prices? Be interesting to see if it sells. And I can assure you, mine didn't cost anything like that. But it did come from the other side of Australia, 5,000 kilometres away, and it took 2 weeks to get here. And I was a little nervous it was going to get crushed in the post. Not that that would ever happen. So I'd really like to know what you guys think. Are you a fellow box collector? Not really sure, but interested? Couldn't care less. Wow, that is beautiful. That's in really good condition. I'm going to very carefully open this. It's got some tabs on the back here. Can't remember how I did it in 1987, but a couple of tabs on the back. Oh, a knife. These are really tight tabs, just like new. Well, okay. Amazingly, it's still got a poly in it. Presume they're the original. And even some of the wire ties. Wow. And down the bottom here, got a little yellow tab. Have no idea what that's from. Really nice condition. There's the poly that housed the Amiga 1000. Completely unmarked. I would believe it if someone told me that straight from the factory. That's the back of the box. We'll go around the sides, front, and this has come right across Australia to get here. The back of the box, turn it, and again, still glossy. And this would be the front, the other side, and the top of the box. Now, room is getting pretty tight in the cave, and I had to be creative and do some serious adjusting to fit everything in, but I did manage to get the Amiga 1000 box in pride of place right there. Well, that's it from me today from the Commodore Cave. Hope you found it interesting. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, or better still, leave a comment, or better still, subscribe. Thanks for visiting the Commodore Cave. 40 degrees from down under. See ya. Are you keeping up with the Commodore? 'Cause the Commodore is keeping up with you.